Does anybody want more influence, impact, and income? Does anybody? Anybody's like, hey, yeah? All right, I agree. I think we all could use a little bit more influence, impact, and income. Now, I'm a person of faith. I don't believe what I'm teaching is discontentment. If you go outside and look at everything God created, nothing says shrink. You don't go up to the blade of grass and you listen and it says shrink, right? Or the squirrel. Everything God created says what? Grow. Grow. I believe that you need to grow. You need to grow your platform, your increase, your message. It's very different than discontentment. Discontentment says I'm unsatisfied, I'm complaining, I'm ungrateful. Growing says, thank you, God, I've stewarded whatever you've given me already well, and I want to reach more people. And by the way, getting paid isn't bad. It's not like you've sold your soul as an artist to get paid. In fact, if you don't get paid, what's going to happen to your message and your work? It's going to become a part-time hobby. Does this make sense? Many people I coach in the beginning, they feel dirty or bad that they're going to charge money. And my point is this. Do you think that your loved ones, whoever they are, single, married, whatever, friends, do you think your loved ones are going to be excited for you to continue to invest in your hobby forever without seeing a return on your investment? Do you think you will have the same fire? No. Do you think your products and programs can ever increase in technology or quality if you're not charging for your products? No, you need to, right? This stuff isn't free.